Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm going to be doing a clothing haul, and this is a thrifted clothing haul from an online thrift store. That's right, an online thrift store. I don't know if you guys have heard of THREDUP before, but I made a purchase about a week and a half ago, not only for me because I'm outgrowing my clothes, but also for my kids because kids grow super quick and kids' clothes, oh, they just keep getting expensive. And I'm like, y'all, but they ain't gonna be able to wear it but like 3 months. So I remembered THREDUP, and I've seen so many people do hauls for THREDUP, and I was like, you know what, I'm finally gonna try it out. And me being tall and on the lower end of the plus size spectrum, I was kind of weary. So if I like everything that I purchased, I'll probably be ordering from them again because I love going thrift shopping, but it's a little overwhelming when you have to go into a store, and living in a small town, there's really not much to choose from, and the population here is predominantly senior citizens. So trying to find clothes that would fit my body type and still be somewhat stylish is like finding a needle in a haystack. So I'm hoping that everything that I ordered fits me really good and I can find more stuff, because if I can find clothes for me on the low, I'm here for that. So I'm going to do a try on as well. I might have my kids in this video, I might not. We'll see how they are because they're playing and you know, they don't like to be interrupted. So yeah, if you guys want to see all the clothes that I got from THREDUP, let's go ahead and jump right on into this video. Starting off with this really pretty like canary yellow t-shirt dress. This is from Old Navy and I got it in a size large. And I kind of like that the front is higher than the back. The back kind of like droops down a little bit. But it's just like a cotton t-shirt dress, and I hope that the lighting is not being stupid. I really tend to gravitate towards t-shirt dresses or any like long tunic because I can wear it with leggings or biker shorts, and it's hot in the summer and I don't have to wear anything that's too tight and you know, clingy on my body. So the next thing that I got for myself was another t-shirt dress, and this is actually from Pretty Little Thing, and here is what it looks like. It's a really pretty like bright, I don't know if this is like an orangey red, but I love it. Again, it's just like a cotton simple t-shirt dress. One thing that I like about THREDUP is that you can search by designer or boutique if you wanted to. So if you were looking for clothes from Pretty Little Thing, because I have been wanting to shop from there, but I think it's just a little bit too expensive and I really can't justify spending a lot of money on myself sometimes. So I was looking to see if they had any items from Pretty Little Thing to see how the quality was, and they did. They had a lot actually. So I thought that this was really cool, and I can't wait to try it on to see how it fits. It is very, very soft and it looks in great condition. This next dress I absolutely love, and it is from Forever 21, and it is a gray like jersey material, and it looks like it's probably like a midi length, but it has this tie here in the front to kind of give you that illusion of like a really snatched waist, which I'm here for. I absolutely think that the tie in the front is super cute. I just couldn't pass it up because I knew that like any other thrift store, THREDUP is the same. So I was like, okay, well then you should just go ahead and get it, because if you can't find it later on, you're gonna be upset that you didn't get it in the first place. So I bought it. So the next thing that I picked up for myself was this really cute spaghetti strap little shorts romper from Forever 21. It has a little snap here in the front, and I just think that it's really cute. It's very lightweight. Because I am so tall, I'm 6 feet tall, rompers tend to not really fit right on me because I get a little bit, you know, like cooch cutter action and that's not cute. So I'm kind of curious to see how this will fit. It is a size large, so I think that it is a very good price for a cute little romper, and hopefully it fits me because I think it's really cute. So the next thing that I purchased are these like palazzo pants. I think that's what they're called. I'm not really sure, but they are these really fun printed like linen pants that are originally from Forever 21, and they do have elastic in the back, which I love. They are a size large, and I just love the colors and the pattern of these pants. So I'm really hoping that the length is perfect on me. I held them up to my waist, but I haven't actually tried them on. But I really hope that it works out. If not, maybe I can find someone to like hem it for me and make them kind of like capris or something like that. I don't know. Or maybe like some shorts. That would be cute too. You guys are probably going to start to see a trend here. I absolutely love dresses. They're so fun, and I think they're really cute. And it looks like you put effort into an outfit, but in reality, you just pulled one thing off the hanger and put it on and then went out the house. And I love that. So this dress, which is a really pretty like olive, I think it's called like a skater dress when they have like a really flowy skirt. This is originally, again, from Forever 21, and I love the neck. It has like a super high crew neck. It is sleeveless, and in the back It has this really cute like keyhole design, which I like, and it kind of makes me want to get a tattoo like right in that spot on my spine, like So I must have searched Forever 21 or something, because a lot of the items that I got are from Forever 21. And this next item that I got is also a dress, and it's like this distressed denim looking like acid wash type of like graphic little like spaghetti strap dress. And originally when I saw this, I was like, ooh, I could put like a really cute like basic white crop top tee underneath it, because I have a lot of crop tops, but my stomach ain't for the crop tops yet. But I think underneath this dress it would be really, really cute, and it kind of like flares out at the end, which I like. And I don't even know what it says. Surprise, surprise, the next item is not a dress. It is actually a pair of shorts from Old Navy, and they are white, but they have like a beige tan floral print on them, and I thought that they were super cute. These are a size 16, and I'm really hoping that they fit. They seem very like lightweight, and they're really cute. It is super hard to find shorts for me, especially because my legs go on for days, that aren't really, really short. And especially being out with like kids and stuff, I don't want to wear super short shorts. So I think that these would be like a really nice length, because it looks like they have like a 2 or 3 inch inseam. So yeah, I thought these were super cute. So the next thing that I picked up is this cute little gray skirt from Zara, and this is a size large, which I think is their like 12 or 14. And I have never personally tried anything from Zara because I don't have one around me, and when I've looked online, it's just a little bit too expensive, especially for like the type of clothing that they have. I found some Zara kids stuff at Marshall's that I've gotten for my daughter, but I've never seen anything in the Marshall section for like women or anything like that. And it seems like the length is going to be perfect on me because it's not super short, and I like that it has this really cute like elastic ruching along the top. Last but not least, the last thing that I picked up for myself were some biker shorts. Y'all know I love me a good pair of biker shorts. These are from Pretty Little Thing, and I got them in a size large. They feel really, really nice, and hopefully they're not too see-through, but if not, I do have a couple of other like t-shirt dresses that I could throw these under, and I think I'll be just fine. That concludes all the items that I purchased for myself. I'm gonna start going through all the stuff that I got for my kids, and hopefully you'll see their cute little faces pop up and they'll try it on for you, but if not, you know, we're just gonna keep it moving. The first thing that I picked up for Jada is this really cute pleated skirt, and this is by the brand Crew Cuts, and it is a size 12. But yeah, I kind of wish this was a skirt, but it's a skirt, so I'm really gonna have to like tell her to, you know, be a little lady. So, but I think that this was really cute, and I couldn't pass up on a $3.99 perfect condition skirt. So the next thing that I got for Jada is this really cute like pants jumpsuit, and this is from the brand Speechless. Thank you whoever decided to get rid of this, because my daughter will love it. And it has like a dark blue lining, and the lining on the inside is like a shorts material, so she won't get too hot. So the next thing that I got for Jada were these cute pair of khaki pants. These are a size 14, and they are from Celebrity Pink Girls. I actually got her these to wear to school because she does wear uniforms, and it's hard finding uniforms in the middle of the school year. So I just got these so that she could wear them to school, and there's no stains or anything like that. Like, I also don't know whose kids are wearing these clothes, because my kids would have been tore these up. The next two things that I picked up for Jada were a steal. These are 2 pairs of Levi shorts, cute little like Bermuda short lengths with tags. Both of them still have the original tags. These are size 10, and the pink ones are a size 12. I'm hoping she can at least fit into these. I think I might have just been excited and picked up these as well, but I don't know if she'll be able to fit them. But if not, I can give them away to somebody. But I think that these are super cute, and she loves shorts and she loves pink, and I like that they're a long length and not super short as well. So the next thing that I got Jada was this cute little romper from Zara, and I don't know what this pattern is called, but I thought it was really cute, and it's just black, white, and red, and it is shorts, and it has cute little pockets in the front, and I thought that she could either wear this on its own or put like a white t-shirt underneath, and I thought it would be really cute. This is in the size 13, 14, and again, this is by Zara. So another item from Zara that I got for Jada is this really cute printed skirt. I think that it is so adorable, and it's so lightweight. It's almost like a silky material. I don't know really what this material is. Actually, hold on, let me look at the tag. But yeah, I think that this skirt is super cute, and it is a size 13-14. It has a really cute like bow that you can tie here in the front. It has elastic in the back. It is a skirt. I wish it was a skirt again, but that's okay. We're gonna train her. This next item is probably one of my favorite things that I purchased for Jada in this entire haul. It is super cute, and it is also from Zara. Look at this shirt. It is super, super cute. It has like baby blue stripes with pretty like yellow daisies on it. I love that it has like ruffles here in the front. Like it's like a tiered shirt. I don't really know how to explain it, and has that really like high bust line. I don't want to say bust for a 9-year-old, but you know what I'm saying. But I think that it is super cute. It has buttons in the back. I just thought it was so adorable, and this is in the size large, so I'm hoping that it fits her. It looks like it will. I just love this. And one thing that I don't like about kids clothes nowadays is I feel like they look a little too grown. So I like their clothes to have a little bit of innocence in them. I don't want her wearing like crop tops or like high-low shirts and like high-rise jeans. Like no, she is 8. Just slow down. When I saw this, it just looked like a cute like girl shirt. The only thing is that I'm looking now and I see like a minor stain right here, but honestly I wouldn't have noticed it. It's very, very faint, but maybe with like a Tide pen I could probably get that out. But I just think that this is so cute. I also got her this really cute like yellow, very like bohemian flowy dress. And I didn't know, ooh, the lighting is kind of weird. I didn't know that it would be basically see-through. So I think we're going to reserve this for like going to the beach and using it as like a bathing suit cover up, but I think that that's fine. So the next thing that I got for Jada is a dress, and this is from Abercrombie, and it is a large, and it's this really pretty like lace dress, and it is very, very long. It does have a lining, and the lining kind of stops like at shorts length, but I just thought that she would love this, and I love like the front and the top of this. And she's super girly and she loves to dress up, so like long dresses are her thing. And I've actually gotten her a couple dresses from Goodwill, like from the lady section, that are like extra small because she can fit them, and they're just like really long on her, and she loves to play dress up. So I thought that this would be really cute. It is very lightweight, even with the lace, because sometimes lace clothes can be a little bit heavy. This next dress that I got for Jada I absolutely love as well, and this is actually by Guess. And it is a really cute like denim dress. It actually has little pockets in the front. I didn't even know that. Oh my god, that's so cute. And it has spaghetti straps, and it kind of goes like off the shoulder. I think that it is super cute. And if it's a little bit short on her, again, we'll just pop some biker shorts on underneath it and keep it pushing. This shirt is a little bit similar to the dress that I just showed you guys. This is also from the brand Crew Cuts in a size 14, and it's a really pretty like ruffle sleeve, cute little top that is like a denim. This is also like a denim shirt, and I thought that it was really, really cute. That was all the things that I got for Jada. Let's finish off this haul with everything that I got for my son. The first thing that I picked up for Carter are these cute little plaid shorts. These are actually from Gap Kids, and this is a 5T size, so I think that these will fit him really well. All right. The next pair of shorts that I got for Carter are these really cute like orange cargo shorts, and these are by Gymboree, and these are a size 5. I don't know if these will be a little bit too big, but they do have the elastic band, so maybe I can like cinch it in. They don't have those little like buttons on the inside where you can adjust the waist. So I also got Carter a couple of really cute polos, and this is a blue and white striped polo, and this is by the brand Janie and Jack, which I know is expensive because we have one in a mall like the next town over. I love seeing little boys in polos. Oh my god, my heart melts. Speaking of polos, I couldn't pass up this little gem. Oh my god, look at how cute. This bright yellow polo. I absolutely love it, and I was like, oh my god, throw it in the cart right now. Whose 5-year-old is wearing these clothes and not messing them up? And this is yellow. It's a bright color. Like we all know spills and paint and ketchup like magnetize to bright colored shirts, and I don't know, like whose kids, how do y'all, So the next thing that I picked up for Carter was this really cute basic t-shirt with some stripes on the sleeve. Okay, and it is a size 4-5, so I think that he will fit this just fine. He also has one of his shirts on right now. It's a Super Mario shirt. He insisted on wearing it as soon as I showed it to him, and he was getting dressed this morning. He was like, I want to wear my Mario shirt. So he has that one on, but I will show it to you guys. I love these really cute like trouser looking shorts. They're just so like classy with the little button on the butt. Like I love it. What brand is this? Sonova? I don't know, Sonova. This next shirt that I picked up for Carter is brand new with the tags. It actually was a part of a 3-piece set, but I don't know where the other 2 pieces are. And this is a shirt from RBX, which I know is expensive because I absolutely love their leggings to work out in. when I was working out, and they are really expensive and hard to come by. But yeah, I thought that this was really cute. I love the neon detail, and I think it says stronger, faster, which is a little boy's lifestyle. Aside from the shirt that he has on right now, this is the last item that I have in this entire haul, and it is this really cute Gap Kids t-shirt that I got for Carter. And this is a size 4-5. I just wanted to get him some simple clothes that he can wear to school because he is in VPK. They paint a lot, they're outside a lot, they get messy. And I didn't want to buy brand new clothes just for him to get them dirty, but with having spent like $2.99 on some shirts, I feel perfectly fine if he were to come home with some like blue paint on them. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to check out THREDUP for yourselves, I will have a link in the description box where you can save $10 on your first order. So make sure you use that link so you can get some extra money off of your first order. And I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more clothing hauls like this in the future, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.